clothes are when you're not naked. What do you think about it?
Thank you. Man.
You did a switcheroo on me. You're normally in the back room. How are you?
Amazing. How you doing?
Give me this coat. No, here, don't want it. I'm great.
I like your shirt.
Thank you. On Wednesdays we wear pink.
On Wednesdays we wear pink. I remember that.
Okay.
Thank you, beloved. On Wednesdays we wear pink. I got 4, 5. Ready to gun you down. 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 I got. Ready to gun you down. Ready to gun you down. Fuck, man, I'm gonna put this shit on right now. No makeup. Ah, there we go. What's up? I'm about to get to work. That's what's about to happen. Do I use the sponge today or do I not? The famous sponge. I'm gonna stop using this shit and just be all natural with my shit for real. Let my curls be what they wanna be. I hope everybody's having a glorious day. I hope you take advantage of the opportunity that you have been given to be alive. Your body woke up. God allowed you to wake up however you see it. Think of it as another opportunity, to shine. So don't waste it being, full of drama, causing mess. Use it creating happiness, joy for yourself, mostly, and for others. You know what I mean? Fuck the bullshit, you dig? Niggas ain't got time for that shit, man. Niggas ain't got time for that shit. All that rude shit, not being cool shit, nah. Don't need no time for that. So, take advantage of your great day. You know what I'm saying? Because it can be taken away from you. So, live like this is your last, you feel me? Enjoy everybody. Everybody was put in your life for a reason. Everybody. Adhere to it and make the best of it. You dig? Make the best of that bet. I ain't going hard. The best of that, man. Alright, let's go. I'm ready. Where my shoes at? I'm ready to do what I came to do. I'm about to let this shit drip all over you, baby. Wow! Oh, my new single is out. It's called Drip. If you ain't got it, go get it. You can stream it, or you can, if you really fuck with your boy, you go buy it. Cause that always works too. But I appreciate whatever you want to do. However you listen to it. YouTube. Check out the little lyric video. It's a little boring video I created. Hope you like it. Looking to do another video for it. For the new version. For an alternate version for I don't know. Whatever you want to call it. But not a remix, please. With my bro, ASAP Ferg. Yeah? I hope y'all tuning in tonight. Set your TiVo, your DVR, whatever the fuck you dig, your direct. Set that thing. Tune in to Star tonight. It's going down. Raphael Sadiq just text me. That's amazing. Yo, that's amazing. Man, that's amazing. Look at life, man. D'Angelo is the reason for the season. And if you want to go back, Raphael Sadiq is the reason for the season. Ready to gun you down. Ready to gun you down. Ready to gun you down. Fear God. Ready to gun you down. I got, bruh, they didn't even, bro. I just be here, bro. Let's have a great day. Come on. Come on, Zipper. You ain't gonna kill my joy. You're not gonna kill my joy, Zipper. You're not gonna kill my joy. Not gonna do it. Alright. I love y'all. I'm out of here with this. Feel me? Hold up. Get my ring right. The ring on. Shit on the phone. I can't even turn this shit around no more. I stay ready, mama. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's beautiful weather right now. Yeah. What's up, mama? What's up, boss? How you doing?
You know, you be glad I'm in here, Luke. You know, every time I get in here, you trying to get with my woman, man.
For me?
Yeah.
Hey,
I'm
man.
here by you, Luke.
Listen, man.
Man, then they came in, man. Luke been getting into woman, man.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, man. Let me tell you something. That woman right there,
Yeah.
she belong to her. You feel me?
So you trying to tell me, Lulu?
If she looking at me, and you
know
catch
the name of the game.
and you catch me looking back, that's just what it is, Jack.
I'm gonna have to talk your ass when we get home.
What's up, Cap? I'm coolin', man. I'm coolin', man. Don't hate the player. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? You ever seen the Mac?
Man, I was in the Mac.
Oh shit.
Heck yeah.
They just got started, right?
Yeah. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, you know the name. Cakes and shit. Oh, you
Stick
shade.
yourself, pretty Tony. Stick yourself.
You old shade tree nigga. You a car thief.
You're a haven for hoes.
A haven for hoes. A car thief. A petty car thief. That thing you got out there probably hot right now. Classic.
Yes, yes. But you know what else is classic?
What's that?
All them darn Dolomite movies. Them Rudy Ray.
Oh yeah. See, I gotta get into those. I never really watched those.
Oh
Nah.
my God. Let me tell you, when I was a little girl, my dad had the whole collection on his shelf. So I'm being nosy, looking at his shelf down in his little man cave. And I said, Daddy, can I watch these movies? And he said, no. I was like,
You know, something to get into again.
so the next thing
That's
you
right.
know, I came back a couple